In my training business, when I started training, I started, of course, with myself as usual, but what did I do? I understood these principles and I taught other people to train my courses. I got the manuals, word for word manuals, et cetera, and then from there, at this point in time, right now even, I have 9 trainers going all around the world teaching my courses, and I'm sitting at home for the most part. I haven't been on stage in years, and I don't have to be on stage, and I have money rolling in, okay? But the main thing is that, like, even this weekend, I guarantee there will be, today's Wednesday, so starting some on Thursday and some on Friday, there'll be at least 3 to 4 programs going on somewhere in the world without me. There's usually somewhere between, I'd say about 250 programs a year that go on, and I'm not there, okay? So it shows systemize without me, then duplicate, 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 duplicate. So you help more and more and more people, making more and more money.